I ended up getting CELLUWave because I was approached with the opportunity to be part of a trial, doing the trial for CELLUWave, and I thought, you know what? I've always had some cellulite. I also was currently unemployed at the time due to the world ending, so I had time, and yeah, so I was like, why not? Let's try it out. What's the worst that can happen? I had some doubts about the treatment just simply because you always see the ads for like fat loss and cellulite and stuff like that, and 9 times out of 10 they don't work at all and they're just gimmicks. So yeah, I had some doubts, but I was like, again, I have nothing but time, nothing to lose, why not try it? The treatment and the process of dealing with it was super easy. I would basically come in, sit down, I filled out a little basic questionnaire with like 2 or 3 questions about, you know, if I was dry brushing or doing things on my legs for the last week, and they would take me into one of the rooms. I had them working on the back of my legs, so I would lay down on the bed, and there was like this, you know, the cold gel goo stuff that they put on you, and it felt like a like one of those therapy guns that you get for tight muscles that a lot of athletes have. I have one of those at home that I use to work on sore muscles. It felt just like that. It was super relaxing for me, actually. I spent the time answering emails and listening to podcasts, and I dozed off a couple times. So it was really great and easy and fast. By like the last treatment, I think they had it down to maybe like 30 minutes from start to finish. So it was easy. It was super easy. I actually saw some pretty good improvements. I saw the back of my legs and my butt be a little bit smoother and just, I don't know, it's weird to say like younger looking, but yeah, it just, everything looked a little smoother, and I actually do see a difference, so it was definitely worth it, worth my time. I would recommend this treatment to a pretty wide range of people. If ever in your life you've really been bothered by cellulite, I think most people, men and women, like there's always like 1 or 2 things that just really bother them about themselves. And if this is your thing, then this is one of the best ways, I think, to help diminish it. I don't think anything is gonna make it go away. Nothing. From how cellulite works, like how they explained it to me, you can't ever really make it go away. But this really significantly improved it. And I think if you can do the things that are in your control as well, that will help. Like if you can be fit, if you can eat a little better, if you can drink a lot more water. I noticed, in addition to the procedure, like when I was eating much cleaner and I was drinking more water, it was like the results were exemplified. So if you do your bit and then getting this procedure, I think those 2 together, you'll get really awesome results and you'll be super happy.